Hello, I am here with another doll video. So this is my third BJD and the first definitely legit BJD I've ever ordered. I ordered it in December, I think the 18th, or I'll write it when I work it out. And it's now the the 28th of January and it has come. So I got it through Angel-esque. No idea why I wanted to be an angle. And it really, so the other one I have is a Doll Chateau ant, and I had to pay, I believe, 30 or 40 pounds for like import tax. So ordering through Angel-esque was definitely worth it because it would have been a very large proportion of the impact when they are the smaller dolls, financial impact. So I'm going to start off. It came in a UPS package and it's got the case and these little extras. So, not extras, you know, the little things that come along. So this, a myoudoll, or MU, I don't know how they're trying to say it, I'm doing it like a cat, don't understand that. Just a little care information, quite nice, not waxed, but nice card. This is a little, no idea what that says. It's a maintenance card, so you can get free maintenance, which is nice. I'm not sure what that would refer to, but I'll see. Apparently I can do it for free once, only once. And I thought this was so unique and very cute. Instead of a little birth certificate, it's got a little birth card. It's got the doll that she is, number, I don't know, what would it be, 5,000,200, I don't know, 5200077. I doubt whether it's made that many. Let's zoom. Definitely haven't made that many, but whoop. They've probably made a few. This is a new kind of, they don't usually, it's a mature kind of body shape, not babyish. And the reason that I got into thinking I had to make my own BJD is because when I first looked into it, they didn't have this doll. So pretty. It's got nice, it's quality. It's kind of like a Nintendo case back in the day. And there we are. So I ordered the doll, obviously opened, and a wig. So let's look at what's inside. Oh, I also ordered, that's a face mask. It's a bit too big for her head, isn't it? So from Angel-esque I ordered a silicone head cap, so that looks like that'll actually fit, even though I think I bought the wrong size. And the wig, because I figured it wasn't that expensive. I think it may have been £16. But I don't know, I'm not that skilled at wig making, so at least I'll have one good wig. So I'll open that fully when I've got her out. She also, even though they're not actually on, myoudoll, all of the dolls come with a outfit, with a lingerie. I'll zoom a bit so you can see better. So let's free her from her confines. Really detailed little hands, very elegant pose, to say, kind of like that. Bit less dramatic. I ordered the large bust and the 3-piece torso. I wasn't sure about the 3-piece torso because I've only had 2-piece like this. Very smooth connection, really nice angling. I'm going to get her to be a bit more dressed in the slightest. Her arm. So they have the same pose. Yes, we've got two of the same pose. And oh, I can't remember actually looking at whether or not it was double jointed, but she is. So she can go. She does not keep the pose fully bent. Trying to put an angle where you can see it fully bent, but she can. So that's quite a lot of posability. It smells quite nice. And that is the myoudoll little thing. Nice and smooth. Oh, I do believe I thought it came with eyes. I guess it did not. Nope. Get her feet and legs down. She's got quite, I don't like when dolls are too thin. I think I'm going to, I'm thinking about ordering some Dream Valley dolls, and they're quite thin. Got really nice little sculpted knees. Very comfortable posing, I'd say, comparative to my Zoom and Doll Chateau. I'll see with posing when I do try to do a photo shoot with her. Quite nice. It's much smooth. Like I definitely no seams that I can see. Very well done. And I'm not sure about the aesthetic of that elbow, but just pose it so it isn't seen, I guess. And you know, they'll probably be dressed. She's got quite a nice behind. Let's look at the sculpting of that. Yeah, got the little butt divots. I'm gonna have a lot of fun just working with her. And I have to say, the large bust is very large, but I think I'm glad that I got it, because a lot of the other dolls in this size, even if they are a more mature look, for example the Mars Cat dolls that you'll see soon, well not soon, they'll probably take ages to come, but I've ordered 2 of them. They have much more flat chested, so it's nice to have something different. So yes, I've got the Wig Cap. Let's see. I don't think this is meant for this size, but it most certainly fits. So I think I accidentally did something correctly. And let's get the wig out. So this is the one that she has in the promo images, or it's supposed to be a version of that, I guess. So let's look at her card. It's supposed to look like that. It's a bit less shiny and quite a bit less styled, but that's kind of obvious. Not exactly sure. It's incredibly plasticky smelling, actually, when I put it close to my nose. And a very rigid wig cap. I will definitely learn from this wig. If this is professional level, then I need to get best to learn from the pros. I'll be back in a second. And wig on. I have to say, for the price, I'm quite disappointed with this wig. It's not the same wig. This is an entirely different fellow. It might be, I don't think it's made of the same materials. It's reasonably shiny, but it's overly full. It's, I don't know, maybe it's, you know, trying to be the same style for a lower price, but that it is not. I'll style it and I will use it and it will be magnificent, but with the price, I'm quite of old fogey, and I don't think that's worth the price. So Other than that, the doll, definitely worth the price. I love, it's so smooth, fantastic. With a bit of blushing, she'll look absolutely beautiful, and I'll have to find a pair of eyes for her. I just finished. Sorry, back for a second. It did come with eyes. They just weren't preset in. So it's got a bit of, in with the ridiculously large cap. It has a pair of eyes and some putty. So it's got a pair of little pebble eyes, which I believe is it's the same as in the original promo. So I'll have a close up after this. Yes, I got the eyes in. Try to angle it so you can see it and zoom. I have to say, I do find it a bit weird how different they look blank, because the two BJDs I have were you know, face upped. So I'm so excited to get started on her face up. I actually kind of really like these eyes. Very kind of mysticky. They're not suiting for the character that I'm planning on making this doll into, but I can always have a bit of fun. Neither's this wig, quite honestly, even if it was the fantastic wig I originally thought it was. And also I think because the head size should be comparative, I can probably use it on the Mask Cat dolls, and I think I've got a character that's more of a blonde, so I don't know, I think she's more of a brunette character to me. But yeah, I'm so happy with this. Seeing the doll, I think I've decided which of the three characters she is, and yes. Sorry for the second ending. Thank you for coming in, guys.